Chile. So how has been the response from the minister? What did he just say?
See, I have spoken about 39A and I specifically mentioned what was the intention when he made that legislation. When he tried to say small people would be helped. But I pointed out that what is happening is taking advantage of this legislation. People who, not Goans, but people who have sold the lands and other people, outsiders, are now coming and asking for change of zone. Now, normally there's not a problem when there's a change of zone. But the problem is this. First is the purpose and intention of legislation is defeated. Second, an outsider buys, that means he can buy the government and he can go anything and he can do what he wants. Third, I also pointed out that eco-sensitive zones are being destroyed. Why people are getting angry? Forests, hills, slopes. That is where people are getting upset that all these huge developments are coming up. So and that is why people are on the roads, because we don't want our hills to be destroyed. We don't want forests and all, and even the CRZ areas close to the beaches and all. But if when it's somebody else who comes from out, he can do everything. How is it possible? So this is what I pointed out by saying that this is happening. I also pointed out two cases, one of Nationala, where they're wanting a zone change, and I also pointed out one of Aldona, where both are after purchase, it's not before purchase. They're not even Goans. So they have purchased the land and now they're wanting this zone change. This is nothing more than commercial real estate. And in this second one of Aldona, I pointed out that they're tenanted land. They remove the tenant's name and they come for zone change. Even the survey form which they have annexed shows cultivation was going on. And after the tenant has died, so the members must be wanting now money. I can't say anything else. That's what's happening. So I know that it is sub judice. I know that the matter is being fought in court. But we have also put a bill. I've also put a bill. Justice Ferdinand Rebello's bill I've also submitted. And date given is 13th, but we have still not got any reply by saying that it is vetted by law department or the finance department. These are the two way it has gone so far. So I believe that, and I also pointed out more than 12 lakh square meters has been already changed, zone change has been done. And I pointed out, I mentioned each of the talukas where huge amounts have been done. And this is the way, because what is happening is that our entire demography gets changed. Our entire villages are getting ruined. And the culture will become that we Goans will be in minority and others will be in majority. And this will be the end of it.
Thank you.